How to book a hotel on Hilton using points. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the official Hilton page, sign into your account, then here, click on where to and add your location. Then, click on check-in, and then add your check-in and check-out date. Press on done after you've added the dates. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Click on find a hotel on the right side. After you click on find a hotel, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and you'll find all the hotels available. Simply click on the hotel. After you've selected the hotel you want, it will lead you to this page. Here, you will find all these rooms available. Book the room you want. After you've booked the room you want, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here at the top, click on use points and money. After you click on use points and money, select the points and money you want to use. After you've selected the points, review the price, and then proceed to the final booking. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to book a hotel on Hilton using points. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.